Hi, Jenny here. Today I woke up to it being 40 degrees outside, so I was happy that I had soup on the agenda to make today. So today we are going to make some lasagna soup. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 24 ounces of marinara sauce, 6 dry lasagna noodles that we will break up into pieces, 4 cups of chicken broth, and shredded mozzarella for a topping. In your stock pot that you're going to make your soup in, we are going to go ahead and brown up our ground beef until it's no longer pink. Just turn this on like medium-high heat. Dun, dun, dun. We will cook this all up and then we will drain the grease off of it, but then we'll make the rest of the soup in the same pot. Alright, once the meat is no longer pink inside, we will turn the heat off and then we'll drain out the grease. So you can do this by either just using a slotted spoon and scooping out the meat to a different container and then pouring the grease, or I have a handy dandy little grease drainer, pot drainer type contraption that I will put on the side of my pot, and I guess in the sink, explain that too. I just have a coffee cup. So you want something that is kind of ceramic glass, something that can withstand the heat of the grease. You don't want something that's plastic or it will melt. So we will just drain the grease. Try to get the meat down there so it doesn't want to fall. So you just go kind of slowly, because the meat's all going to try to fall towards that side. In reality, we are going to set that meat aside and use a clean bowl, not the one that I had the raw meat in, because now this is cooked. Excellent. Now we are going to put our broth and the marinara sauce in the pot and then bring that to a boil. Trying to do that down low so it doesn't splash so much. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to my jar to help rinse it out, plus we need just about a half a cup or so more of fluid. came from. Cap on there, we'll get the stuff off of the cap too. Perfect. Let's bring that to a boil. While waiting for the soup to boil, we can go ahead and take our lasagna noodles and start breaking them into like bite-sized pieces. So they are going to puff up while they cook. That's a little small, but see what you can get when you start breaking them. Sometimes I've put like bigger pieces in when I've made my crock pot lasagna. I'll put something like maybe, I don't know, say like half this size, and then I found like that was almost like kind of too big because it did like expand when it cooked, and then trying to get that in your mouth was a little sloppy. So anyways, but do what size you feel is right for you. The water is boiling now, so we will go ahead and, actually we're going to add my salt and pepper first. Do that to the meat. Well, we'll just put it in the soup part now. And we'll go ahead and add our noodles. Put this over medium-high heat, and we will cook it for 10 minutes. Noodles have been cooking for 10 minutes, so go ahead and turn the timer off. We will add our meat back into the pot and pretty much just cook it for another up to 5 minutes just to make sure the meat gets heated through. It's still warm. I'll try to add this without splashing too much. That worked. The lasagna soup is all finished. So that was a very simple, easy, quick recipe. Interesting of using marinara sauce instead of tomatoes. I have used marinara sauce in a different soup I made. I'm forgetting which one it was. Maybe like a pasta fagioli? Maybe not. I don't remember. I know I've used it before. It doesn't taste very good. So again, nice and simple. Add another soup to your soup rotation. So, let's see how it tastes. I need to add a little bit of that mozzarella cheese on top as my garnish. So try to get, well, even though I made the noodles small, I'm still trying to fight here, get a noodle. All right, noodle, meat, cheese, sauce. Mm-hmm. That is really good. That's like comforting. It just feels like home. Noodles actually feel just a little underdone. Guess I would have cooked them a little bit longer, but I'm looking forward to eating that. Good thing I have enough ingredients that I can make a second pot. This only makes like 4 servings. This is going to go very quickly. So I'll be making this again probably once this video is done, and I'll get a second batch made right away. Anyways, I hope you like this video. I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever had lasagna soup before. If you like lasagna. I like regular lasagna. I've made that before. I've made it in the crock pot. So I'll leave those recipes below also. But go ahead and give this one a try. I think you'll like it. So I'm going to go enjoy my lunch. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.